So this is the 16-foot Canadian Spa St. Lawrence Swim Spa. We're just going to go over some of the jet functionality and how the jets distribute the water pressure throughout the tub. So there are 4 pumps in this unit. Pump number 1, or jets number 1 here, controls the middle jet out of the 3 bottom swim jets here on the swim side. This pump is not divertible, meaning that you can't choose which section of the tub receives pressure, and that's specific for the circulation. So you can have circulation on each of the 4 corners. It helps stir up water and ensure that your pump or your spa remains heated as it should. Pump number 1 has 2 speeds. You got a low speed, you got a high speed. All controllable via the touchpad. So pump 1 will come on periodically throughout the day to heat the course of the tub. You can turn it on high speed if you enjoy having the increased swim pressure on the swim side. So we'll turn that one back to low here, and we'll go to pump number 2. Pump number 2 controls this swim jet here, and it's divertible via this diverter valve here. So when this valve is rotated, you can divert the water to the outside captain's chairs, the coaching chair, the captain's stand-up chair here. Or when you rotate it backwards, you can have all the pressure come on the swim jet. So it's all controlled via this diverter valve. You can put it halfway and get halfway if you want, or all the way, turn off this jet and turn on these jets outside. So this same functionality is built into pumps 3 and 4 as well. Let's turn off 2. Let's turn on 3. 3 is going to do the outside jets at the bottom here. And these are controlled by this diverter valve. When you rotate it the other way, it turns on the deep captain's chair on the hot tub side. So if you just want your hot tub jets on, you can rotate pump number 3 all the way over here. Or if you want to do it on the swim side, rotate it back over, and you have all the pressure now on the swim side. And we'll just repeat the pump number 4 to show the same effect. So as you can see, it does the top left set. When diverted, that's the lounger. We'll go on the hot tub side. Again, we'll switch. We'll do the swim side. So your diverter valves control which section of the tub will receive the pressure. One point I want to make a mention on is these air controls. And what these air controls do is they'll either inject air into the system or they'll turn off the air. See this jet now, these air controls each control a specific jet. This one controls this jet here. When I turn it on, you can see the pressure increases because there's more air injected into the system. When you turn it off, there's less. So these air controls can be adjusted as well to determine or to customize the flow based on how you'd like it. So adjust your air controls based on your swim pressure and your swim level. And that's the control